Obviously, I'll use yellow on the egg. What?
Hello and hi, let's see what did we buy.
If you remember the other video, I bought 2 of these. And I only opened 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five. I'm gonna open them all up, then I'm gonna bring you close, and then we're gonna set them up in the dollhouse some kind of way. This is the mini foods. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got another smoothie. I've had one of these before. But it is super sexy, right? Okay, let's see. Yeah. Maybe I'll put some glow-in-the-dark stuff or spruce it up some kind of way. 4 more. Oh, kind of plain. But also leaves me room to do fun stuff with it. So we'll see. Obviously, I'll use yellow on the egg. You may notice I'm having a low energy day today. I barely have those. So I was like, let's just get on here. Call it a practice. I don't have my ring light on. I don't have my microphone plugged in. I have the window open because it's trying to rain. Whatever that means. Oh.
It's freaking cute.
Okay, I'll buy that for $1 menu. I know, there's no such thing. But a girl can reminisce. 2 more. Oh my word. What? Oh. What even are you? What? You're married to this box? You don't even come out? You're kidding me right now. What in the weak sauce? Okay. Well, there's that. Flavorific. Flavorific. Okay, well, it's not adorable, so I guess it's making up in Flavor Flav. I don't know. Last one. A friggin' pizza. It's called Edge. Oh, probably because it goes all the way around. Okay. Okay. I mean, at least this one comes out, right? I don't really like these ones, honestly. Whoa, super thin. This is that diet pizza. A diet pizza. Okay, well, let's see what we do. Lord, girl. Did you see our pizza? It's not very pretty. We're gonna put it right here because it's not DiGiorno, it's delivery. We'll take away our fruit bowl. Where should we put our fruit bowl? We'll put it out here with the friends. And then, I hope you can see the difference that we made on it. There we go. We got our burger. I decided to put some resin on top so it could look like a buttery burger bun. This is pretty cute though. I mean, it's basic. So big to scale, it's a fat community burger. They brought it to share. And there we are with our low energy.
And there we are, guys, with our low energy video.
What do you do when you're low energy and you don't feel like doing anything? Do you wait till you feel like doing it, or do you do it with no energy? Today I did it low energy and I called it a practice video. We're gonna see how it sounds without the speaker, also known as a microphone. I hope that we can hear the chimes. You guys let me know if you like this. Okay? Because I'm trying to see something here. That's why. I mean, we didn't waste too much glow in the dark powder either, so high five.